Today is about appreciating women, making women feel special. Working for Transnet makes me feel special, and I like the fact that they appreciate who we are and they celebrate the womanhood.
Siyabonga kubaphathi bethu ngalolu suku olungaka oluspecial abasenzele lona basizwa sibalekile sabantu besifazane.
We are very much highly appreciated by the company, and I like working for Transnet. We are very much appreciated. We are rewarded all the time. We are taken very seriously.
Women must be able to be financially literate and understand how to create and keep wealth forever for their children and generations to come.
Very good thing that is done by Transnet, especially Transnet being as big as it is, to recognize women, to go back and say women are important, they're an important part of Transnet.
Sibona sibaluleke kakhulu sabantu besifazane sisebenzela uTransnet. Sibona si very important and special.
We're so humbled and we're so honored, and we really appreciate what Transnet is doing. Other companies should really look at what Transnet is doing. Celebrate abantu besimame imbokodo yethu. What I like mostly ngabantu besimame precisely abaka Transnet bayazenzela balinde ukwenzelwa.